I have something really interesting to share with you guys, and I have been really lucky enough to be a part of it. So thank you so much, Estée Lauder, for having me. So Estée has recently launched the new Advanced Night Repair. So I have the package here right here with me. So this is what the packaging looks like really good. And then we have is this the flap card, and then we also have this. So basically, as you guys can see, so the ANR was actually used in different times. Like it was I think I can say rejuvenated, or you can say that it was, you know, just re-established every single, like after a few years, and they have constantly been, like, you know, trying to improve the product depending on the problems, the type of like the intensity, the power that it needs for an advanced night repair to have. So, and I have been consistently using it. You guys know I have been a part of Estée for quite a long time now, and I have been using it for the longest while. So it was actually first in 1982, then we have in 1991, and then we also have it in had it in 2009, 2013, and this is the latest. This was the latest version of 2020. So let me just show you guys the bottle. So this is what the new bottle looks like. So it is a huge bottle. Let me just tell you guys that this is a 50 ml bottle. So let me just get on with the price just to see how much it is. Talking about the pricing of it, so first is this is what the product looks like, and it is new, it is advanced, it is much more powerful, and you know, so let me just read you guys, like, you know, so what basically, so why you need to use this is because it is a high performance ingredient. It has high performance ingredient. It is lightweight, of course. It absorbs quickly and penetrates deep into the skin surface. I totally agree. So generally my skin is very sensitive and irritated, but I think this is a product which I generally use it. The previous one I use it every single night without skipping. So and plus it gives you the 72-hour hydration, and it is a fast repair. So, and it also helps to minimize pores, and it gives you the overnight radiance. The 8-hour antioxidant power. The skin feels firmer, it's free from parabens, sulfates, and it's a glass bottle. So that's what I really like, because it's recyclable. The one thing which I actually felt, the first thing which I actually felt was that it's recyclable because it's a glass bottle. So this is an amazing thing that Estée has done. And yeah, so how you can apply it is just like, you know, you need to just take just few drops. I already have makeup on, but you can just take, you know, few drops of it and just on your palms, and then you can just rub it between your fingers, and then you can just apply it in a heart shape. So heart shape is like something like this, which Estée actually like Estée wants you to do like that. So you can just rub it between your palms, and then, you know, just like heart shape like that, and this is going to just open up, and you know, your skin will actually thank you later. So trust me, skincare is a must when it comes to, and Estée does amazing. Nobody does anything than Estée. So yeah, so talking about the price point of it, so this bottle comes with so this actually comes with a price point of the price point is that 7 ml costs for $12.50. Talking about the price point, the 70 ml cost, the 7 ml costs $12.50, 1,250 rupees. The 20 ml costs for 3,900 rupees. 30 ml costs for 5,900 rupees. 50 ml costs for 8,250 rupees, and 75 ml costs for 10,500 rupees. So this is a 50 ml bottle which is for 8,250. So this bottle costs for 8,250, just in case you're wondering. But yeah, so and I think I should just stop blabbering, and you guys should definitely see the virtual event which I attended with Estée. So let's get started. So since we are going for a night event, and I do want to, you know, create a look that is for night, so I'm wearing this Estée Lauder's lipstick. This is the Pure Clear NV matte lipstick in the shade 120 Irrepressible, and this is a really nice, you know, deep maroon sort of a shade, so I'm just gonna apply this shade on my lip. Even though we are on a virtual event, I still am gonna apply my favorite Modern Muse perfume by Estée Lauder. This is one of my favorites. Like, I love wearing this perfume. It smells so divine. It smells really good.
Live from New York is our very talented and beautiful global spokesmodel, Grace Elizabeth.
A new beginning. Our next revolution in skincare is here. New advanced night repair from Estée Lauder. New fast visible repair. New youth generating power. Skin is radiant.
I have a little puppy and he wakes me up around 7 in the morning and we go for a walk and then we have breakfast and then I go ahead and partake in some workouts before the couch run. I'm super blessed to be with them. As the most recent, Carolyn Murphy, I've had the opportunity to work with her multiple times and she has this what we call a Carolyn Murphy effect where everyone on set, no matter what their role is, you just feel welcomed and special.
Production of new cells and collagen.
You will be able to experience more of the incredible science installation. Now,
Hi everyone, customers and fans, about the power of skincare and skin repair. So I am so excited to be here with you today to show you one serum your skin shouldn't live without. Let's dive into the amazing new benefits of this product. New Advanced Night Repair.
talk about Rafael. How was that? I love seeing you dancing with him, guys. It was incredible. And as you can see, I'm here in the main stage, and I'm here with DJ Melalo to continue with the after party.
Demasiada noche de travesura. Vivo rápido y
I probably shouldn't be around you, cause you get wild. You looking like it's nothing that you won't do. Like the last one I told you.
Just a little brief that we were just finished with the DJ, and then now we're just heading to the arcade and seeing how the product is and everything, so we're just taking it there. It's currently 11 in the night and we just got done with the event, and I'm just gonna go take off my lashes and my makeup and everything. But it was a really fun event to attend, and there were so many people from all across the globe. And Advanced Night Repair Serum that Estée has launched, like, you know, it's an incredible product. I have been using it consistently for past so many years now. I think it's been 2 years now since I've been using it, and absolutely love it. So yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in for a really small vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you guys a behind the scenes of what usually. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to write on any of my social media platforms, and I'll have all my social media links in the description box below, so you guys will be able to say whatever you want. Come and say hi. And yes, so I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident, and good night. Bye.